So it is always good to start the year with some experiment-based question. So experiment-based questions are very common in upper primary, all right? So you think like results are experimental setup, okay? But other than that, right, it's also like, how do you understand the question, okay? So let's go. All right, so the first question, of course, to understand the variable, the experiment question, right? Okay, you must know, all right, the various terms. So in experiment question, the most important few words are here, okay, which is hypothesis, okay. Do you all know what's hypothesis? Have you all seen hypothesis? Have you all seen the word hypothesis? Curious, you want to log out and join again? Because you're like dominating my conversation. Yes, very good. Flying orders, well done. Correct. It's not just a smart guess, all right? It is a logical guess, okay? Based on the data given or based on the experiment, okay? So hypothesis is not a common experiment term, all right? Okay, but it has been tested before in PSLE. Yeah, I think Curious is lagging. Curious, I need to put you out and then you join again, can? You want to go out and join again? Okay, all right, let's go. Okay, thank you. Okay, then the next one here, we have the change variable, the measured variable. Okay, bye-bye, Curious. And then the control variable, the fair test, all right? Keep the measured variable, change variable, and the constant variable, right? They are all the common questions asked in PSLE, and of course the word fair test, okay? So here, okay, we always say what is a what about what will happen in an experiment. Anybody wants to give it a try? Which one do you think is about what will happen in an experiment? What do you all think? What will happen? So you think that what will happen? So like just now Flying Goddess already gave the answer. She's so fast. A what? A hypothesis. Very good. Okay, so a hypothesis is actually a guess about what will happen in the experiment. Yes, that's excellent. So a hypothesis, right, because it's a guess, so in PSLE, all right, there is no right or wrong answer. As long as, okay, you are connected to the experiment. So as long as you're connected to the experiment, yeah, your answer is correct. So it need not be like a yes or no, okay, because it's a guess. All right, the next one, the what variable is the one that's changed? This one is very straightforward, the change variable. And we all know that in any experiment, we will only have one change variable. Totoro and Flying Goddess again, so good. Wow, if you are in my class, I'll tell you, stars, chicken. Hey, help me to tell your friends, okay? Invite your friends to come in and join. All right. So this is I really think that this is a very good revision. This is an excellent revision, okay? So in BlueTree, all right, people usually have to pay for this lesson, all right? But of course, one of our mission is to teach as many children as possible. So since last year, we have been doing a lot of TikTok live, right? So that's why, okay, we are giving you this free lesson here. This is very good, okay? And these are really very common in PSLE, correct? The measured variable. So the measured variable is what is observed or measured. Yes, very good. Now, oftentimes the measured variable is also the one that gives you the results. So when you talk about accuracy, reliability, right, you must look at the measured variable, okay? There's this question, they always ask you about the reliability of the results, the accuracy of the results. Have you all seen these questions before? I'm sure you have. If you're in upper primary, have you seen this question? Yeah. So when they ask you such question, right, okay, immediately look at the measured variable, all right? Usually, if there's something wrong with the results, right, it is the measured variable, okay? Okay, next one. Okay,